The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday, happy Valentine's Day, happy CPI Day, happy whatever else day it is. Good evening, Borneo. Hello, John. Hope everyone had a great night or great day wherever you are in the world. Hope everyone's ready to try that. Have a great day. I lost my chart. There it is. Okay, let me get things set up here because somehow I don't have things set up here. What am I missing? There we go. That's what I'm missing. Okay, so markets overnight continue to rise. They dipped and then they continue to rise. We see 41.57 on ES, dipped down to 41.44. So not a big range, about through 33. Is that 33? Yeah, try 13. Good math, Brian. Good math. Good math. Again, let's try 15. About 15-point range. We'll just throw numbers at a dart while I'm not announce them. NQ dipped down to 12.504 and up to 599. It's not even 100 points of range there in NQ. Hello, family channel. Yeah, I was looking at last night. We are up $36 from one trade last night during Asia. Kappa. Also tight range. Everything's going to be tight range and choppy until CPI in a little under an hour. Wow, that's really a tight range on copper. That is only 40 ticks. Gold. Gold looks like it has a little bit more range. Gold's been a little wild lately. Wild and crazy. Looks like a double bottom there around 1864. About 11 points in range. Ultra Bond. Ultra Bond's been rising. Go. Yeah, but under a point in range there as well. Crude oil. Dipped. Dip. Just over a point in range. And natural gas showing some life. Oops, I blew up crude oil instead. Where's my yellow line there? Natural gas. There it is. Way up there. Way up in the hot sky. The little natural gas flies. Anyway, looks like a little over 100 ticks in range. Bitcoin back up to 21.8. That's where we sit, ready to take on the markets. Pulling down. So we're gonna, for now, because our ATR is so small, probably up until CPI, we're gonna trade regular NQ. And then we'll switch to micros. Morning, Juan. Popping back up there. That was actually a trigger candle, and I just totally missed it. probably only gonna look for a 5-point move here. Right now, the ATR being so small. Let's see if this would have given me 5. So far, I would have given 4. Remember, folks, the Apex sale ends tonight. If you want to get any Apexes. If anyone wants the YOLO CPI. A lot of analysts think CPI is going to come in hot again, which means a possible short on the market, which makes sense considering how extended the market's been in the last few days. So hang on, 12,590. Morning Burrow. Up and then down, kind of rejected there. Never want to get rejected on Valentine's Day. Taking a short here. With a very, very, very tight stop. For just a couple points, honestly. Maybe down to that 100 there, it's sitting at 12,584. Should have took it at 585. There it comes. There we go, I'll take that. I got 4.25 there. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I might drop further, but as slow as it's going this morning, I'll take that trade. Now up 125 minus 8. What's 125 minus 8? 117 on the day. On that winner for 4.25. So we'll see how far it goes down. Could I have gotten more out of it? Yeah, probably. But quick hits on a morning like this before CPI. 6 straight red days. I really don't want a 7th. A little later on, we'll talk about the future of MightyOxTrading. Oops. Yeah, it's still going down. I got out at 583. It's down to 580, so I could have got more out of it. We'll see what happens. Yeah. Morning, Robin. Morning, JC. Sorry. Yeah, I could have got a lot more out of that. I was in at 87, so I could have got 10 points instead of just getting out at 4. So that kind of sucks. But hey, we're up. We're green on the day so far, so that's what matters. Yeah, one win this morning, one win last night, 36 last night, and whatever 17 ticks minus $8 is this morning. Early morning math, not my thing. Morning, Matt. Just hit that 100. I should have taken that possible short there. Nice bounce off the 100 into a red candle. And we got that little move back down. It was a little move though, real little. At this point, all I want is a green day. Not the band. You know, honestly, I was setting that up to start singing a Green Day song, and I realized I don't think I know any Green Day songs. Oh yeah, hope you've had the time of your life. Just hanging here at 12,584. We are 45 minutes away from CPI. Back above the EMAs, the 20 and the 100. Ooh, big candle, biggest candle we've seen in quite a while. Rising up. I have to listen to that then. JC, looking at the lyrics now, I might get added to my motivation playlist. So up, technically a trigger candle, but I don't like trigger candles that are bigger than anything we've seen in a while, and you can see why. Pull right back. Let's see if it bounces back up. That's a nice, interesting up, down, up there. Hey, it even throws an engulfing at me at the same time. Morning, busy. Golfing went away. We'll go with the long. We're long here, gonna tighten the stop real tight. What's the EMA at? 87. I think I'm gonna lose some profit here. But we'll see. Oh, maybe not. Come on. Come on, give it some oomph there, Bulls. There we go. Ah, comes back down on me. Should have taken the. Come on, give me a little bit more. Give me a little bit more. Nope. Back down to my entry. There we go. I'll take that. Slow morning like this, I'll take that. Another 2.25. That's $50. Scalping Supreme here. Not the Supremes. I think they're all dead anyway. So 158 now in the morning. And again, I could have stayed in for more. Oh wow, I could have stayed in for a lot more. Ouch, that hurts. Being too jumpy. Because our ATR was down to 3, so these candles are actually above the individual candles are actually above the ATR. Thank you. But so far, I could have gotten 10 points out of both those moves if I hadn't chickened out. 90. Nah, well, not 10 points yet on that one. I was in at 90, got out at 92. It's going up to 97, 98. How you doing today, Freighter? I haven't gotten to taste any alien yet. The Canadians keep keeping them. Morning, GED. Yep, there it goes. There's 600. So both these would have been 10 points. That's a total of 20 points right there, and I got like 7 out of it. So ES also rising up here. Almost the same exact move, up to 41.62. See here, resistance from back on Thursday, 41.70, 41.88 that day. NQ same, NQ hit a high of 728 on Thursday. So guys, I have an announcement. As of Friday at the end of the stream, MightyOxTrading, the YouTube channel, is gonna go dormant. I'm gonna be taking some time away from all things MightyOxTrading, social media, the channel, making any content, and the Discord. The Discord will stay up I'm transferring the admin over to Matt LaRocco, but I'm going to take a 3 to 6 month sabbatical to try to just focus on trading and earning some income to continue actually like surviving. And if I can't figure out the trading in isolation as they're pulling back here, then I'll probably walk away permanently. So Friday will be our last live stream. Thank you, Busy. Going back to the EMA. Thanks, Juan. Morning, Crypticon. Back down to the EMA. Let's see if it bounces. Yeah. Oh, that's actually a trigger. Well, that was a trigger candle up. It might still be. We'll see where it goes. Hi, Pilar. Good morning. Welcome. I don't know. Something about ICT bothers me. It seems like a cult. I just, I'm tired of being mediocre at everything, and even the channel is mediocre. I see everybody, like trading with Travis totally blew by me in subscriber count, views, and everything else. Um, Bob Anderson, a couple months ago, didn't exist. Now he's blown by me in subscribers. I can't even barely get 50 views on my stuff. I'm tired of being mediocre at everything. Morning, Avi. Morning, Glitch. And everyone, welcome, Pilar. And Pilar, I apologize for pronouncing the name wrong. Let me know if I am. She's a member of the Earn a Trade Discord. She wanted to stop in and say hi. Excuse me 1 second. No, Valentine's Day has nothing to do with it, actually. But I hope everyone did like the heart I made to up there at the top of the screen and the nice thumbnail I made. Good. I hate butchering people's names because my last name gets butchered all the time. Big move down. We are less than half an hour now from CPI. That's a strong candle. That's almost a 10-point candle all of a sudden. I did not check to see if we had any other news besides CPI today. What is what, Pilar? Oh, the last name? It's Oxenrider. Yeah, I just posted on my regular name account. You can see it there. I got Oxen Reader, Oxen, uh, just a whole bunch of. Exactly. It's sometimes funny to hear how people pronounce it because usually it's either Oxen, it's Oxen Reader, and they just basically uh, flip flop the E and the I, but sometimes you can get something that's really, really out there. Nope, Crypticon. I don't even know my zodiac sign, birth sign animal. Avi, I'm actually German, and it was like Aschenreiter or something like that over in German, and somehow it's gotten changed to Oxenreiter once in America. 1974 Crypt. Uh, I mean, I'm not gonna actually trade the news. I'm gonna stay flat once we get a little closer and wait until after the explosion. Cool. This was a trigger. Would have worked, obviously. It was actually a good setup. Up, down, up, not as high as the last up, and then whoosh. Whoosh. Dandruff there, Crypticon. And pushing down. Down to 12,572. So potential move down here before CPI. A lot of analysts think CPI is going to come in hot. Of course, if it comes in hot, we're going to probably see a big dump. Maybe this is the start. Maybe it's the start. Do want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. If you haven't already hit that like button, I appreciate if you did. Although I guess really it doesn't matter anymore. Little pop back up there, not by much. What's everything else doing? Ooh, big move down there on copper. Big move on the Ultra Bond. Let's check out the Ultra Bond's 1 minute chart. The Ultra Bond's awake here early 10 minutes before its market opens. For folks, you have just 20 minutes to go buy an Apex account, the yellow. Uh, Another bearish engulfing down. First, it'll be kind of hard not to engulf that last candle. Well, I'm not really encouraging it, but for 35 bucks, here's the thing, if you do know how to trade, $35, you know, taking a chance to try and get it in one trade and just finish out your days isn't a bad deal. I thought about it only because you know, everything screams short. So, 17 minutes. That's only on funded, Burrow. On eval, you can do anything you want as long as you don't break the actual hard and fast rules of hitting drawdown. Once funded, you can't do a YOLO for news. But on eval, there's no consistency. Trading with Travis is who I would recommend. I don't know. I don't know what his schedule is. He seems a little erratic, but normally he comes on. Uh, Normally he comes on about right at the bell. He hasn't. He didn't stream yesterday though, so I don't. You know, he streamed all week last week, and he does long streams sometimes too. Like some of his streams are 6 hours long. So, I'm actually the account you're trading on stream right now. PLR is Blue Sky. They're a newer company. Apex has a consistency rule and funded. Let me rephrase that, bro. I mean, they call it a consistency rule. They just it's only around news. As long as you're trading your regular strategy, it's not a hard and fast rule. If you ask on the Discord, either Chef or Justin will explain it better. They just don't want someone like doing special news strategies to try and get a windfall profit. If it's part of your normal trading strategy that you get a huge win and they can see that that's part of your normal strategy, it's not a problem. Pop it back up here to 588. So sine waving, this was a good bullish engulfing, but I don't take them when they're below the moving averages. See, we're 15 minutes at a bell. I'm not sure I'm going to even look to take another trade at not the bell, I'm sorry. 15 minutes before CPI. Let's try that. And I'm not sure I'm going to take any, trades until after. Unless something just totally is obvious. Fact that I'm 3 for 3 already today. Small wins, but 3 for 3. Ooh, that's kind of enticing though. Uh, After 6 straight red days, you know, gonna try and guard that a little bit. That is really enticing, that big wick up the top and then this big candle down. Yes, yep, ES making the same type of move there. ES and NQ very similar. After CPI, I'll switch over to micro NQ. Good morning, John. How are you doing today? Excellent, John. That's perfect. Good to get in and get out before the CPI makes things go all wonky. Wonky, technical trading term. Excuse me 1 second. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry about that. Tonight I will finally be working to finish up that Blue Sky review. I did promise Josh that would get done, and I will get it done. Probably be my last non-live video for the channel. And like I said, Friday will be our last live stream. CPI coming up in 8 minutes. Morning, Sid. See what the market does here before the report. I'm gonna switch over to micros, and I'm not gonna trade now until after CPI, after everything calms down. Go. Got my ATMs in place for that. Missed the trade last night because I had the wrong ATMs in place. Almost went 5 regular size NQs, which would have like scared the bejesus out of me. Yeah, bullish engulfing here. Makes me want to think about it, but I'm not going for it. How's everyone doing today? We excited for CPI? That would have been a nice take too there. Nice. That would have got me a good win. About 5 minutes of CPI. After CPI, right at the bell, we have a Fed speaker. And at 11 o'clock, there's a Fed speaker. And at 11:30, there's a Fed speaker. And at 2:05 odd time, there's a Fed speaker. Quick pull back down. And popping back up. So get ready, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Let's get ready to rumble. Still 90 seconds away, so that was a little premature, I guess, but you know. See, it's very, 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 very whippy here. Whip it. Oh, whip it good. All right, PLR, thanks for stopping in. Whoa. Well, that was a little premature. Still 45 seconds to the bell, but we just burst up to 640 and all the way back down. Wow. Stop in any time. Well, stop in any time this week. See you next time. Wow. So it burst up by 50 points there in NQ. ES, of course, did the same by like 8, 7 points. And now pushing down here. And we are 15 seconds away. Somebody's algos got out of control early. Boom. Whoa. There we go. Wow. 109 points, 112 points, 98. Ooh, and wow, look at this whip back, though. All within the first 10 seconds. 120 now. Very whippy. So in the last 2 minutes, we went from 640 down to 460. Hey, cool, cool. So 180 points difference. Now it's struggling around 12,500. Let's go look at the number. 6.4 and they expected 6.2. So we did come in hot. Pushing down again. ES down 19 points. This isn't, so far, it's not the 200 to 300 point drop we've seen on some CPIs. But 100 points here on NQ so far on this one candle. Big bounce candle there. Huge bounce candle, almost 50 points. quite the move, as we expected. And it might not even be as big as some people expected. I wish I was almost I was almost definite that it was going to be a short, and uh there was no heat on it, so I wish I had taken it short. But look at this. It's climbed all the way back up. All the way back up. Sniffing the EMA. And there it goes. It's back to before that candle from the minute before CPI. Strong moves up here. No heat on this move up either. Wow. Look at that go. So we got down to 460 and we just hit 619 within 2 minutes later. What a move. Wow, and now it's above that whippy candle. Wow, look at this go. Okay, so yeah, down was right for the first minute, I guess. Holy Hannah. Yes, up to 41.86. Look at crude. Crude, big move up there as well. Getting up toward a 79.50. Copper, wow, boom. That's an $800 candle. Look at the Ultra Bond there. Go to that minute chart, boom. So everything. Look at the Ultra Bond, made a new high and a new low day there. Let's go see what gold's doing. Gold did the same, new high and low. I guess probably everything did now that I think about it. ES. Yeah, ES made a new high and low. NQ made a new high and low. So where are we now? That still did not get above Thursday's highs. Thursday got up to 707. Still ways to go for that. Pulling back now, got into that third band. I could have played a third band bounce there if I would have wanted to. Would have been kind of dangerous though. Highway to the danger zone. So our ATR 6 minutes ago was 6.79. Now it's 31.93. That was fun though. Did anybody catch anything from that? Did anyone try to play it? That's willing to admit it. Hey Hassan? The bullish engulfing there. Theoretically, I should take it. Theoretically, I'm not. It's good I didn't, because that would have been an immediate stop out. Wouldn't even given me time to think about it. Yep. Once the dust settles. RER is dust in the wind. and pull them down. Just kind of sitting here, all of a sudden lost some oomph. We're oomph losers. Oh, now it's found its oomph again. Just like paused, everyone was like, we need a break. Big candles, ES, big candles as well. Looks like falling now. I should have taken that short. No heat on that after the breaks. Could have got a quick, nice quick win there. So, this is how this went. Candle before. We think we're going to love the news. Oh, wait a minute. We're not supposed to know about it yet. We hate the news. Oh my God, we love the news. Oh my God, wait, we hate the news. Popping back up a little bit here. Yeah, continuing down. Okay, so we got down to 460 here. We're under 500. Let's see if it breaks through. It's been a beautiful short if I had taken it. Been a beautiful short if I had taken it without a profit target, tell you that much. Sort of past my blue sky. Popping back up. Let's take a look at lows. See here. I mean, right now it's just giving back some of yesterday. Remember, our low yesterday was all the way down at 265. So we're still well, like over 200 points above that on NQ. ES, our low is 40.78. We're still about 70 points above that, somewhere out there. Early morning math again, not my thing. As we rise up. So kind of calming down just a tad. I mean, these are still huge candles. About 45 minutes till the bell. Watching 12:5:32. Pushing back down here. Oh wait, you know what? I need to switch back over to MNQH. H, right? Yes, H. There we go. Took the short there. Took the short. Boom! I didn't have time to show my chart. Hold on. Took the short there. 12,508 was my entry. Out at 12,493 and 12,495. I'm not even sure how much that is. Hold on a minute. You can see my entry there. Let me blow that up for you a little bit. No, wrong way. See the entry there, 12,508 out around 493. We're now, oh wow, really? I am now up $297 on the day. Thank you, gentlemen. 4 for 4 now on the day. And I got lucky. Maybe I got a little lucky on that because that candle that I entered on actually, look what it ended up being, a green candle. Thanks, John. Now another bullish engulf. I mean, bearish engulfing. Sorry, or I was trying to, but it's unsure. Thank you, Sid. Back up to the EMA, 556. Good luck, JC. Now it's kind of slowed down a little bit here. ATR is still above 30 though, but we are getting above the 100 here. Happy, and you know what? About 30 seconds on this candle. Strong candle now, 20 points. Not feeling like as good about this candle. I like it. Prefer when they kind of crawl up versus burst. A burst usually has an opposite reaction. I think there's something in physics about that. 22 points, pulling back here a little bit. So let's see if I should have taken it, or should take it. But oh yeah, it really went down. Barely. The wick was bigger than the body, so that was a good no on that. I got a winning trade, Polar, about 5 minutes ago. I caught 15 points on NQ or MNQ with five MNQ contracts. So I'm up 297 now in the day. A ace. I went short right here on that red candle. I went short, got 15, got out before it reversed back up. I didn't trade the news. I traded. This was just 5 minutes ago. I did that trade, or 6 minutes ago. Hello, David, and thank you for that. I appreciate that. We're pushing down. This is a trigger candle, but oh, I'm getting kind of antsy now. I don't like it when they hang around the moving averages like this. That was a nice kind of wicky there move that could have taken that short. So up 297 today, 4 out of 4 trading. You can see this would have went down another 14 points, now coming back up. Kind of waiting for our next setup if there's another. We have 7 minutes to the top of the hour. The energy market's open. Crude's moving nicely too. 58.75 on ES. Nice, nice, nice. JC. Very nice. You have a target in mind? Or are you just trailing it? Alright. Oops, they're coming down. I'm trading at MNQ, but since I didn't take this short, which I should have, so that would have came very close to stopping me out if I had. So you can see here we still have big candles. We're watching ES. Oh, there we go. So that I believe it just touched. Oh wow, it came within a tick of JC's target, or at least on regular ES. I don't have the MES chart up. MES and the ES can be different by a tick or two at times. Move up. You see the bands are kind of constricting together. Back up to 41.49 ES. Bullish engulfing here and then Q as it pops back up. Thank you, Ace. So ES back up to 41.50. Oh, they're bouncing. And Q also bouncing. ATR still above 30. I don't like ATRs above 30. I mean, I got my win earlier with an ATR above 30, but interesting little move here. Back down. Thank you for that news, Burl. You know, you would think they would send me emails on this stuff considering I'm an affiliate, but nope. Morning, Kevin. Just about the top of the hour, and all of a sudden things have gotten slowed down a bit here. These are smaller candles all of a sudden. It's hanging on the EMA like wash on the line. Does anyone actually use clotheslines anymore? And coming back down. Theoretically, that was my entry point there. I didn't really recognize it, and I should have. Coming back down for you, JC. It looks like, eh, eh. There you go. Boom, big move down there. So I should have right here. This candle right here should have been a trigger for me. I could have got another 15. Excellent job, JC. That's wonderful. And that was a great job hanging on when it came back up against you there. Oops. Popping up here at the top of the hour. What's crude doing? Crude, little bit of movement there as the energies markets open, but bigger moves here on the ES and then Q. Another 25 points up. 30 minutes till the bell. So we're hanging here around 12,532. Crude pops up there. It's open. The back above 79. Try to get above that level there that it popped up to earlier. What's the Ultra Bond doing, huh? What's the Ultra Bond? Ooh, the Ultra Bond looks kind of choppy. Down, up, down. That would have been a nice up, but and pushing down. Down, down, down. And bearish engulfing, trying to head further down. But I know it's a little early in the week to remind you of this, guys, but just a reminder that there's a holiday this coming Monday, President's Day. So those of you doing prop firms, I think everyone besides ETF, ETF, yeah, ETF, counts the holiday as one day. So Sunday evening through Tuesday afternoon will all count as one trading day. So keep that in mind if you trade those days for your P&Ls, your loss limits, and all that. I think that's the last holiday you need to worry about until I'm not even sure what the Easter, I forget what Easter is. And if there's anything special holiday-wise for it. So this bearish engulfing would have worked, it looks like. 513 down to 499, so it would have went 14. I would have been looking for 15. See where it goes. Popping up there a bit. That was a 17-point candle. ES's nose just touched the EMA and popped back down. Nose touched it, it just pushed down. AQ pushing down as well. Watching this, staying about right above 12,500, trying to get through. Market likes big round numbers. ES sitting at 41.42. In the year 41.42. Oh. Oh wow. Greg's trading today. Continuing to move down here. Broke 500. ES falling fast as well. So's crude oil. Ultraviolet also falling fast. Everything's falling fast. Not afraid of falling, 'cause I can't get off the ground. So we're watching here. Everything's kind of scary, although, I mean, this down, up, down move right here, that would be beautiful for UB. This does a nice clear break. Wouldn't mind taking that. And this bearish engulfing back down would have been nice as well. Checking the 5 minute. 5 minute looks ugly though. But I am thinking thinking of trading UB once I'm on my sabbatical for one of the accounts. Crude down to 78. Trying to get below 77. You can look at our ranges here. I mean, this is a 5 minute chart on UB. You can see that that news candle was the high and low, just kind of going down to test the lows there. Crude oil has made a new daily low. Big drop here. This is it's down 84 ticks in the last 13 minutes. Natural gas though made a new daily high, so it's going opposite directions. Gold looks a lot like UB, so more mid-range than what UB is. And then we have copper, who didn't move the sticks before, but now we'll move them. Kind of ugly there as well. Well, I plan on Friday, before the ETF sale ends, I plan on picking up a 50K and also one of their fast tracks. So I figure I might do Ultra Bond on the fast track. Crude just broke 78. About 16 minutes from the bell. That ETF sale is actually pretty awesome. You know, you get the buy one get one sale there, and you don't need to get that second account right away. It's good forever. So you don't have to like get two accounts right away. You can wait until you pass one or below one and then get the other, then start the other one. You're welcome, PR. Not just trading UB, and I'm not going to a Dom Burrow. It's just, trading UB on one account is what I'm thinking. Trading, continuing to trade NQ or MNQ on others. If I don't blow the Blue Sky account, maybe I will trade coffee or something. I don't know. But no, I'm not going to start making videos bagging on micros and buying $1 million condo. I know, Burl. I know. So it got down to 12,464. Yes, down to 41.32. Little bounce there on crude. Bitcoin falling, falling, falling. Pushing back down. There's a big candle there. It was out of the blue, popping back up. Almost 20 points, pulling right back. Staying flat into the bell, most likely. We're up 297 today. It's my best day in a long, long, long time. Actually, if I don't take another trade today, this would be my best day on the Blue Sky account. I started off this account with a 272 day and a 264 day, and then it's kind of gone to crap since. Nice little pop up there. Up, down, up, bullish engulfing, giving a little bit of a move up. Mm, 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 mm. Been trading all our lives, living in a stop hunter's paradise. Just think, Y'all only have 3 more days of my singing. Everybody should rejoice on that one. And down we come. Did not get far on that bullish engulfing anyway. Just 9 points. Market's kind of settled down. Our ATR's fallen and was as high as 35. Now it's 20. Still a little bit high. Popping back up more. Sideways action. Yep, down we come. Down we come. What will happen at the bell? We are only 7 minutes away. Gotta watch in here. Just market has taken a bit of a. I mean, it's still moving fast, but it's catching its breath a little bit. Crude, this nice move up. Back above 78. Yay, so what'd you have to do? What was the problem? Excuse me 1 sec. Ah, so it was a driver issue. So where will we go from here at the bell? 5 minutes away. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring-a-ling. coming back down some. Popping back up. Sideways action here with smaller candles now. Our ATR's falling down to 16. We'll see what the open gives us. Down into the bands right here before the bell. 30 seconds to go. Ten seconds. Ding, 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 ding. That's not knocking our socks off yet. There we go. Now it's sock knockers. 28, 32, 30, sell 32. It's well into the bands here. 37, 40, 41. This is going to bounce. And it bounces even on this candle here. Been a decent reversal, quick reversal play. Oh, wow. Just dropped right back down, though. 42. See if it bounces again. 44. See Continuing to move down. Down to 426. That was a 45-point opening candle down. Now it might be. Continuing to move down, heading toward 12,400. Popping up to back above 400. Got down to 12,390. Still above yesterday's moves, obviously. But those are quite some big candles there. Sitting at 12,415. Trying to come back up. Hanging on these bands. Ultra Bond came down a bit right before the open. It's kind of stagnant now, looks like. And back up. Strong candle, 21 points. 25. 36. Nice move here. Oop, touched that EMA. 20 EMA. Yeah, acting like it got burned. Snap back. Okay, moving down. I thought about taking that short. That looked like a short, but it's having it haul in here instead. It came down about 7 points. Now it's trying again. Nope, back up. Green would have stopped me out if I had taken that. We don't need no stop out. Back up. Rising up quickly. We opened at 12,473. We just got above it. Sitting right around. And maybe right back down. Some indecisiveness. Back down. Big wick down. Green candle. Bullish engulfing. That's an invitation. Nope. Gets beaten back down. Invitation rescinded. ATR back up to 24. Yep. Again, it's trying. Again, it's trying. Again, it's failing. Again, it's trying. That's a stronger candle there. We're long. It's pulling back on me. I'm going to take the loss. Yep, took the loss there. Not bad at all. Still up, let's see. Why can't I do that math? 22? Oh yeah, it's so 20, 22. So 189, 179, 169. Still at 169. Not bad, not bad. Try and get, I can't, I mean, I hate to see my red streak end. Yeah, that's buy one, get one, Crypticon. Buy one, get one on all accounts, 65% off on all accounts besides the fast track. So it pulls back and then comes back up for me. And pulling back up. So that was nice of it. Came up, stopped me out, then went. Nice 35-point candle. I hate it when I'm right, but yet I'm wrong. Remember, folks, that ETF also has that new swing account. If you're interested in swing trading futures, that's a new offering for them. Pulling down. Morning laughter. Pulls back. Okay, trying to do a bullish engulfing here. It's not marking as bullish engulfing, but it is a bullish engulfing. Staying below that 100 yet. Now it's trying to break that 100. There, it's touching it. Nice job, Sid. See, aren't you glad you didn't go fishing? I've only ever been fishing once in my life. I think I was 5. Strong candle up. 31-point candle up. only ever seen the ocean once in my life. Off this Jersey shore. This is a nice move up. This was a trigger candle for me. It came back by 8, but now 34 up to 55. This one would have worked. Earned its purple. But my skittishness now, after that stop, sideways. Getting away from those bands. Possible another move up here. Are we bull flagging? Maybe not. Pulling down. And pushing back up. Thank you, Ace. Ace, your Valentine didn't show up today. RJ is missing. Here we go. Here's the move up. Slow down here a tad. Watching here. Pulling back again. Oh, there's RJ. Apparently he's just hiding. Wiener Christmas, okay. So, while we're kind of slow and sideways, just reiterating what I announced earlier, that I am going on a hiatus starting after the stream on Friday. Friday will be our last live stream. I'm going to go totally dormant on the channel for probably a few months. Kind of gonna disappear for a while. The MightyOxTrading Discord will be continuing to be up and running for anyone who wants to hang out there. Matt LaRocco, I'm going to be transferring the adminship over to him. Got it to 560 there, pulled back to 526 that quick. Ooh, bullish and golfing kind of gets my attention here. Bouncing off the 100. Has some room to the upside. Yeah, so I'm going to be trading. So I'm going to continue trading. I'm giving myself 6 months to find profitability and actually pull some money from the markets. I'm going to take this. I'm late on this long. Let's see if I get back. But if I don't do it in the period of 6 months, then I'll end the whole experiment probably. Ah. Pulling down. Thank you. There we go. Come on. Give it to me, baby. And my stop just moved to break even. Come on. There we go. Target hit. And we're out. Boom, yeah. Entry. 12,553 out 12,567. That's a winner. We are now back up on the day by boom, 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 boom. I hate math. No, 20, 27, 20. What's 339 minus 27? 312. We're back up by 312 on the day. That's an awesome day right there. Hey, that's what I wanted to do. Give me 1 second here. I did that trade while also putting groceries away. Ain't I just amazing? Thank you. Okay. Okay. Up P&L updated. Boom. And boom. Thank you, JC. Hey, Jay. So I took that bullish engulfing there, took that trade. Obviously, I could have got way more out of it. That candle went 40 points, but hey. Yep, only one losing trade today now. I think I'm 5 out of 6. Another bullish engulfing here. My plan says to take it, but I'm not going to. Kind of closer to the bands. I prefer engulfing candles when they're not real close to the bands. This one's, I mean, obviously you still got room to move up. We can move up, but we'll see whether or not I should have taken this. And should have been about, say, 12,595 with slippage. ES would have given me that same move. I'm kind of comparing the two. Eventually I'm going to put these side by side and watch both. I can't have rolls, they have carbs. See, I was right about that, not taking that long there, although I don't think it would have came back and stopped me out. And we're getting another one, but again, close to the... So, let's see. Boom, 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 boom. That would have been the entry point. Mark this as 50 by 60. Would not have stopped me out, would not have gone to profit target yet. Guys, I'm recommending trading with Travis. Seems like he's a good streamer. Although I need to find out his schedule because he's not streaming. He hasn't streamed yesterday or today. So I'm gonna talk to him and see if he has any type of regular schedule or it's just when the spirit moves him. This would have worked. Well, it hasn't quite reached it yet. Now it has. So that would have worked. Seems like that airfare is gonna get kind of expensive, Ace. Nice. Just had a spammer on the Discord. Uh, Guys, LinkTrader Funding just announced that they're having a problem, possible, where accounts and resets are not being created. They're working on the issue. So if you buy an ETF account, be careful for now. Continuing to rise up here above 600. Now let's look at our daily chart. Our high here for the day is 687 on the news spike. Then next resistance might be up here at 707 from Thursday. And then each day we have a little bit higher there, so keep an eye on that if we keep this rise up. All right, Sid. $641. So continuing to rise up. So either one of these bullish engulfings would have worked and worked well. The last three bullish engulfings would have worked. I tried this one. This was my only loss, and the only reason it was a loss is because, this pullback. If I was free to take a bigger stop, putting a stop below the bullish engulfing candle is usually a better idea, and then they almost always work, depending on what you're going for. But that would have meant I was going for less than 1R, and I don't like going for less than 1R. I mean, could have got more, but you know, eh. All right, so we see ES has gotten up to 41.62 here, kind of rubbing those bands. And Q rubbing the bands. What's Ultra Bond doing? Ultra Bond's kind of sideways. Indecisive bonds. James bonds. And crude. Crude's been rising back up over 79. What a recovery. Down and all the way back up. Copper, all the way back up. Natural gas, showing some life. Gold, also showing life here. Kind of sideways here, 12,636. Remember, Sid's looking for a short on ES. Right around this area. It hasn't quite gotten to where he was looking. Looks like it might want to pull back here a little bit. Uh, Apparently Yellen's been speaking the last 15 minutes. I didn't even realize it. $11 there's another Fed speaker. 11:30 there's a Fed speaker, and 2:05 there's a Fed speaker. Those of you going to be trading later in the day, watch for that wonderful minefield. Slow little grind up here. Yes. Also slow grind. It's hanging here. Market's lost a little oomph. Crude's still going. Look at crude. Elevator up. Well, I guess it's more like an escalator, isn't it? Escalator, elevator. Not much difference, right? Oh, nice move there. And there's Sid's range that he was looking for a short. So just a nice little stroll, and all of a sudden it bursts into a sprint. Like something's chasing it. Hanging here. We have about 45 minutes left on the stream. Pulling back. Sid, did you take your short? If you're in a trade that you need to concentrate on, you don't need to answer me. That 5-minute chart on the Ultra Bond looks ugly. Wow. That is one ugly chart. One. One ugly chart. Ha 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 ha. Sorry. We're having in Holland. 612, 650. I think we're ready to come down as well. Down, down, down. Morning, IMAD. Several killer trades. IMAD. 3 for 4 in the morning plus a small one last night. Thank you, IMAD. It's smaller candles now. These are all kind of small. Oh, but just when you think it's going down, there's a quick move up. Stop, stop, stop. Bullish engulfing. Technically, this is telling me to go long, but excellent, Sid. Nope, bullish engulfing went away. We went to bear. Sitting here, 12,641. Oh, coming down some. So since it got up to 673, we pulled back by 40 points. Just kind of watching in here, not doing much. Yeah, they just Crypticon. They just announced on their Discord that there's we have a few users reporting that accounts and resets aren't being created. Our team is currently looking into this, so I'll post an update the minute we resolve the issue. Yeah, Crypticon. It sounds like it's a wider issue. It's not. So give it some time. They'll get it fixed. Excellent. Glitch. Glad to hear that. How's everybody else doing today? We red or green? Or somewhere in between? All just kind of watching. I thought it was ready to come down, but not apparently yet. And this is why stop. I need to stop myself from trying to guess reversals. Because it gets me in trouble. Gets me in trouble. We're totally sideways here. Market's lost oomph. ES trying to come down here, and Q just kind of hanging. Just kind of hanging. I joined you all in that short thing. Jumped out too quickly though, but I got another 9 points there. No, I'm sorry, 11 points. So not as quickly as I thought. I jumped out. I jumped in, got 11 points, got out. Could have got more. Should have stayed in for my full 15. But that's another winner. Let me go do the math. Math is hard. 587 minus 555. Yeah, maybe I should just start using. They have these wonderful inventions called calculators. I spent $32 in commission today. That's it, really? How about that? That's 446 minus 32. Guys, I'm up $414 today, which is like my best trading day in a long, long time. Now, I will say that I really kind of that trade technically was not in my strategy. We're still above the 100, but A, I was seeing Sid and Glitch say they were going short. And B, I looked at the ES chart and I saw this down, up, down, this bearish engulfing, and it was breaking, and I really liked the way that looked. So I was comparing the ES and the NQ, and I just decided to go with it. Ah, ace. You know, I mean, there's another bearish engulfing. I hate making decisions and then immediately rescinding decisions because then it ends up feeling like it's just a call for attention, which I am not an attention seeker. I really appreciate that, Ace. You know, those hourly candles are, they kind of look like antennas on some sort of weird radio. That bearish engulfing also would have worked. It looks like we've had our, hey, this is basically our classic 1030 reversal here. RJ, that would make. I just saw the Tom Brady comment. Uh, yeah, that really didn't work out well for Brady. He did, you know, he didn't have a great season, and he lost his wife. You weren't able to set. Oh wait. Okay. That's above my pay grade. I don't understand options. So puts on what, Glitch? What did you buy puts on? Ah. Why? I mean, I don't understand. Can with stuff like that? Can you just market order or I don't know how those work. So was this not enough liquidity glitch? I'm confused. Option seems just overly confusing to me. Not confusing might not be the word, but I don't know. Complicated, maybe that's the word I'm looking for. Not confusing, but complicated. So this bearish engulfing here would have worked. Why didn't I take it? We're sitting right on the 100. I needed to see the break. I got the break, which was technically this would have been my, if we look here closely, this would have been actually my trigger candle. So let's see. Well, actually, I could probably already answer that. Holy crap, that's a 26-point candle? So this would have been another win right here. Strong candle, 30 points. We're falling quick. Classic 1030 reversal. 9:30 reversal Central Time. 8:30 Mountain. 7:30 Pacific. So our high there came at 673 and we've dropped, holy crap, really? 673 down to 513. That's 160 points in the matter of 24 minutes. Oh. So are you okay, Glitch? Did you lose money or did how what was the end result of this? So I guess there's irony that Glitch was the victim of a glitch. I'm glad to hear that, Glitch. I'm glad it got fixed. Hey, Victor. Still falling. We are just falling fast. Fast and hard. That sounded dirty. Um, Sitting here right at 12,500. So assuming I don't take any other trades right now, before the end of the stream, today's today's numbers wipe out 3 of my 6 red days. Down to 475. Oops, glitch. Oh, quite the move down there. That's quite the candle. Look at those candles. Breaking the 100 on the hourly chart there as well. 5 minute. Just continuing to bleed down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red candles in a row. We just need 6 more for 16 candles. We've now dropped 200 points in half an hour. Exactly half an hour. A little bullish engulfing there. Look at how far it's down on the RSI. I've stopped looking at that RSI for the most part. I think I'm taking it off 1 minute charts. I think it has an advantage on other charts, but I don't think it has an advantage for me on 1 minute. Trying to pop up here. 1 second. So a little bit of a pop back up. Got down to 468, back up to 488. It's a 20-point pop. That pop, short-lived, coming back down. Low a day, I believe. Yep. 425, which I think are, no, 390, I'm sorry, 390. I didn't realize we got down that low. 390. Still well above that. No, is that right? Yeah, that's right. 390. Yesterday's low. Yesterday's gone. 265. And Friday's low. 243. Continuing to push down. Big candle there. 36 followed by 21. Down to 424. Pops back up to 452. That's a big pop. Once you pop, can't stop. One where ES gave the better setup. Nice bearish engulfing. ES came down 7 points and then bounced, but I would have got in and out with 3 or 4 points. Now coming back up. Now these green candles, big bottom wick, small body, will be a great reversal candle to play as well. Could have played both sides of that. Could have swung both ways on that. What the? I have no idea what this is, but just got a tweet from the CME group. Launching on March 13th, CME Group will offer a molybdenum oxide futures contract. I have no idea what that is. I have no idea if I pronounced it right. Y'all can pronounce that for me. Not that you can say it out loud, so. Drugs are bad. So back to hanging, yeah. We're going to try and come back down. ES showing down. NQ showing down. Show down for what? You're going to miss this. I won't miss that. Comcast is once again telling me they don't want to give me upload speed. Getting some swirling possibly here. Hit that live button if you do. My internet went down overnight for a little bit. I should have taken that short thing that bearish engulfing got the 15 points I was looking for. Or I would have been looking for. There's a YouTube thing. My speed test shows I'm fine. I haven't seen any swirling, but I'm getting an error. Interesting. Broadcast looking alright? Great day, Sid. We'll see you tomorrow. So that would have worked. Eight minutes to go, so I think I'm gonna be happy with my 414 there. I only had one loss this morning. And that was on right here. Went long off that bullish engulfing. It pulled back first and then went on me. So with a wider stop, it would have worked. That looks like a giant monster. It's still giving me the error. Hit your live buttons if you're seeing any swirling. Every morning we get a little bit of this. Yeah, now I'm seeing swirling. Maybe I just need to trade once a year on Valentine's Day. Maybe that's the secret to success. Hanging down here like teeth in the monster's mouth. Bouncing up. Trying to. ATR's down to 17. Nice bearish engulfing there. I'm bullish engulfing. I apologize. So, a couple minutes to go. Like I say, I'm not going to take any other trades. We're going to be happy with this 414 on the day. Thank you, Avi. Kind of bounce and pop up here. Back up just under 12,500. So, great day here. 414 bucks. I want to thank everyone for joining me. We'll be back here tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. There's more news tomorrow, not big news, but we do have PPI on Thursday. So hope everyone has a great Valentine's Day today, for those of you that have loved ones to spend it with. Have a great day, everybody. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.